guys, I will advise you to watch this video to the end because this video will actually help you to improve your trading activities. Okay, to help you to improve in your trading activities. If you want to be making consistent profits right from, just the way we have it right here, then you need to watch this video to the end because I'm going to show you the exact method which I also use to generate this kind of trade setup that you are seeing on the system. But before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay. And of course, if you have any question at all, you can drop your question for me in the comment section or you reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay. So like I have said earlier on, if you want to have profitable trades like this, then you should watch this video to the end. So this is it. I remember a few days ago we started this trade right from this support zone, and it took us on a very long journey, and it came to an end right here yesterday. So, like I always tell you, there are things that we look out for before you can say, okay, you are using a particular strategy. For this strategy, I have four laid down rules which I always want to make sure they are intact before I place a trade. Okay, the strategy I am using is called the trend trading strategy, which means I only need to trade a signal that supports the trend. Okay, if the market is on uptrend, then the signal must be buy. Okay, if the market is on downtrend, then the signal must be sell. Okay, so this is very, very important. But how do I know I am entering into the right trade? There are four things I usually follow. The first one is once I open a chart like this, I will want to know the current trend of the chart. So you should be able to identify the current trend of what is happening on the chart. Okay. Then the second thing is, okay, if you look at the current trend of the chart and you try to see if you can still enter the trade. If you cannot enter, then you go for the second thing. The second thing is you wait and check out when the trend will be switching from the current trend to a new trend. Okay, so you look out for when the trend will be switching. In this situation, it was an uptrend before and it switched at this resistance zone. Okay, it switched from uptrend into a downtrend at this resistance zone, which means for you to know when the market will be switching, you should be able to identify your resistance zone or your support zones because these are places where the trend will switch from one trend to another. So that gives us the third thing which we need to do. Okay, the third thing is you should be able to identify your support and resistance zone. And at that point, there are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout from there, or probably there will be a switch in direction of the trend. Okay, so I hope the three steps have been cleared. Now let's go for the last one, which is very, very important. The last one happened to be about trade setup, how you set up your trade. And if you are setting up your trade, you should be able to add stop loss to it. Okay, for every order you are creating, you should always make sure your stop loss are at the right position. Okay, so this is very, very important. Most of us don't know the importance of stop loss. Stop loss will help you to secure your capital first, and it can also help you to avoid some losses, unnecessary losses, and it can also help you to secure your profits because I don't see why you are still securing your capital when you're already in a lot of profit. You should be thinking of how to secure your profit at that particular point, not your capital. So this is very, very important. So now these are some of the things I put into place. Okay, I'm on 15 minutes time frame, and this particular trade took us like 2 to 3 days before it came to an end at this point. You can see that will be a lot of profit for us. In short, it gave us a lot of profit. And yesterday night, okay, with this actually switched from an uptrend into a downtrend when it got to this resistance zone. So immediately, all you need to do is to set up your trade, your entry point, your stop loss at the resistance zone, because we've been giving a sell signal already. Then you have some highlighted TPs, okay, and look at it. This actually sold for a very long time. This is beautiful. This will have given you a lot of profit if you are taking it. Now let's do some calculations, guys. This actually gave us about 70 candles, and of course that is about 40,082 points. That's a lot, guys, depending on the lot size you are using, and it is still selling. However, it is approaching the next support zone. Now let's move on, guys. Here is another asset which we actually spoke about yesterday, and I told us that this had been on downtrend for some days, and then when it started an uptrend, I told us that once it breaks out from this um resistant trend line, then definitely it's going to buy more. It bought for a while and came down again. And yesterday, I told us this. I said, even though these have been breaking out from most support zones, so this time around it is heading towards it again. There are two things that can happen from there. It is either there is a breakout below this for it to sell more, or probably it will switch into an uptrend, because this is kind of forming a kind of W vibes, and this is going to buy for a very long time if it switch into an uptrend. But first, it must target this region, okay? And of course, I gave us another highlight. I highlighted TP here, so it has achieved that, and it is going to this one. So if it breaks out from here, then it is heading towards this, okay? So that is it. That is how beautiful this trading strategy is. You just need to understand it and put it into use, okay? So that is it, guys. Then the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. This is Paynex 1200. Let me quickly share something with you here. This actually got to the resistance zone and sold to till it got to this support region, and right from there it switched into an uptrend again, gave us a buy signal. You can see a single buy signal from here actually got us to this region, okay? Right now it has gotten to this resistance zone, and of course, according to the basic knowledge of Forex, this is giving us double tops, okay? According to another basic knowledge of Forex, this is giving us a kind of M vibes, okay? And of course, the last leg of M we usually sell for long, okay? So if it is not going to break out above this resistance zone, then we should have more selling opportunity for us right here. So you can quickly create a setup for yourself. We've gotten the sell signal. We got the sell signal already. So for those that are yet to jump into it, you can make use of this setup, okay? I will advise you to wait for it to activate it around here, okay? Okay, guys. Okay, this is going to trade spikes. Okay, so let's readjust it again because it is trading spikes in Paynex 1200. So, spikes trade, you enter before at the top. Okay, so I'm going to put the stop loss somewhere here. Okay, so this is going to be the entry point. So when it gets there, it will activate it, and hopefully it shouldn't get to the stop loss. Okay, then it will start spiking, and of course, I will put our first TP somewhere here, and of course, second TP should be somewhere here, and of course, guys, third TP, guys, should be somewhere here, and the fourth TP. Okay, I'm going to try and make the fourth TP here because I want to put the fifth TP somewhere here. Okay, so we can also add the sixth TP if you want. Okay, just below the last part of it. Okay, so this is Paynex 1200. So if it gets activated and it gets to it does not get to the support region, I mean stop loss region, then definitely it's going to sell at that particular point. Okay, so the next asset which you'll be looking at is going to be Paynex 999. Paynex 999 had also been on downtrend right from here, got to this support zone, but it gave us this channel movement. And I told you if it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. If it should breaks out above it, then it's going to buy more. And yesterday, it broke out below it, and you can see it sold till it got to this region. So it has gotten to a new support zone. It's switched into an uptrend. So let's see if this uptrend will actually work out. However, if you should notice, if you actually draw a trend line for this, then you will notice that this is actually going back each time it touched the trend line. Okay, so we needed to break out above the trend line first before we can say it's going to buy for long. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so these are some basic things that we actually need to add to whatever we are doing or whatever strategy we are using. Okay, so this is very, very important. Personally, I will advise you to go into the trade after breaking out from this trend line. Okay, if you want to buy. Now, that is all we have for today, but let me quickly say this. Okay, this is FX volume 80. FX volume 80 had been on downtrend for a very long time. 2 or 3 days ago, it got to this support zone, and I told us that if it breaks out above this resistance trend line, then it's going to buy, and it bought for a while, but it didn't go too far. It didn't go too far because it has been on a very strong downtrend, breaking out from most support zones. Okay, so yesterday I told us that if it breaks out below this support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, it will move back into an uptrend and you'll be targeting this region first. And as you can see, it tried to move into an uptrend, but it didn't go too far before turning back into a downtrend. And this time around, it broke out below the support zone. And that is why I said it's going to sell once there is a breakout. You can see it's selling right now. So that is it, guys. So all you just need to do is just to understand all these things. Once you understand all these things, you're going to be I mean, it's going to be very easy for you to read your charts. Okay, you'll be seeing things that ordinary people will not see. Okay, because you have a better understanding of what you want to do each time you open a chart like this. Okay, so guys, I will advise you to practice, to learn this strategy, practice it very well until you are able to perfect it. Then you can start using it on your real account. I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now. Like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you.